Every animal crawls along the ground. Even the one they're trying to make your cousin. Now, this is important, you see, because evolutionists want us to believe that we are products of monkeys and apes. Now, maybe you are, but look at this handsome brother. You know I ain't come from no monkey. Monkeys are jealous when they see me. They all go, they bow down and worship me. I'm supposed to dominate creeps. Now, I was watching, oh, you all got that, huh? I was watching National Geographic channel this week again. I love, that's my favorite channel. And on that they had this documentary about apes and monkeys and chimpanzees. And once again I saw what I always knew. And that is every animal must walk on all fours. According to the scripture, if I'm going to dominate them. So when you look at the monkey, which they say is your close cousin, now yours, not mine. When you look at them, next time you see monkeys and gorillas, check them out. Now, a monkey may get up like this for a minute, but he can't walk like that. When it's time to walk, he has to touch the ground. Am I right? In other words, all four have to touch. Why? Because I got to dominate that brother. So if you want to know who and what you're supposed to dominate, let me give you the answer. It's very simple. I want you to check your neighbor. Look at your neighbor real good. See if they have any feathers. Any feathers? Check? No? Okay. How about how about scales and fins? See any fins? Ain't no fish. Okay. I'll check their shoes. See if any roots are growing out of them. Any roots? They're not plants. Fine. Okay. See if they walk around on all fours. No, they don't. They walk upright, don't they? Which means that that human is not on that list. Man was given dominion mandate, but not over one another. And this is important. What does dominion mean? Dominion means to govern, to rule, to control, to lead, and to manage, and to master. Now, when we think of the word leadership, we think of leading people, mastering people, dominating people, controlling people. Matter of fact, most people who say they are leaders, they are really controllers. They try to control people. And according to God, humans are off limits to control.